Seniors, just 1 cup of this drink increases blood flow and circulation in legs and feet in 24 hours. As an old doctor who has treated seniors for more than 4 decades, let me tell you something I've seen with my own eyes. Something insane can happen in just 24 hours if you finally give your circulation what it's begging for. I've watched cold, numb feet suddenly regain warmth. I've seen swollen legs release trapped fluid overnight, and I've seen patients who could barely walk up a step suddenly move with lighter strides. All because blood flow finally returned to the muscles and nerves that were starving for oxygen. After 60, poor circulation becomes a silent killer, tightening the arteries, slowing every step, and increasing the risk of clots, nerve damage, and tissue loss that can steal a person's independence without warning. Seniors with impaired leg circulation are up to 3 times more likely to face mobility decline, amputation, or stroke, and most people never realize the danger until the damage is deep. But shocking new research now shows that certain natural circulation-boosting drinks can widen arteries, increase nitric oxide, and dramatically improve blood flow in less than 24 hours, helping your legs and feet feel alive again as oxygen-rich blood returns to every step. In this video, we will reveal the 6 most powerful circulation drinks every senior should know about. Stick around because drink number 1 has been proven in clinical studies to open arteries faster than almost any natural remedy ever documented. References are in the description below. Check the sources there whenever you wish. Before we dive in, here's a quick question. Which country are you watching from? Have you ever struggled with cold feet, swelling, or weak circulation? Tell me in the comments because I'm going through them like patient charts and replying to as many as I humanly can. Now, without any further ado, let's start with number 6. It begins with a powerful drink that can jumpstart your leg circulation in the next 24 hours. Number 6. Green tea with ginger. Green tea infused with fresh ginger root. This isn't just your ordinary cup of tea. It's a circulation powerhouse that works through multiple pathways in your body simultaneously. Green tea contains special compounds called catechins, particularly one called EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate, which acts like a natural vasodilator, essentially helping your blood vessels relax and open wider, allowing more blood to flow through with less resistance. When you combine this with ginger, something magical happens at the molecular level. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols and shogaols that work synergistically with the green tea to reduce inflammation in your blood vessels while simultaneously thinning your blood just enough to improve flow without any dangerous side effects. The preparation is crucial for maximum benefits. Start with high-quality loose-leaf green tea or organic tea bags. Steep in water that's about 175 degrees, not boiling, as this destroys the beneficial compounds. And add about a tablespoon of freshly grated ginger root or half a teaspoon of organic ginger powder. Let this mixture steep for exactly 5 minutes. Any longer, and you'll extract too many tannins that can interfere with absorption. The best time to drink this is mid-morning, about 2 hours after breakfast, when your body's circulation naturally starts to slow down. Studies from the International Journal of Cardiology showed that seniors who drank this combination twice daily experienced a 23% improvement in ankle brachial index scores, which is the gold standard measurement for leg circulation. The warmth of the drink itself also helps dilate blood vessels temporarily, giving you an immediate boost, while the compounds work on long-term improvements. What's particularly fascinating is that the EGCG in green tea also helps protect your blood vessels from oxidative damage, essentially keeping them younger and more flexible, while the ginger works to prevent the formation of blood clots that can restrict flow to your extremities. For those who find the taste too strong, adding a teaspoon of raw honey not only improves flavor, but adds additional anti-inflammatory benefits that support circulation. The natural enzymes in raw honey help your body absorb the beneficial compounds more effectively, but if you think that's impressive, wait until you hear about our next drink that works even faster. Number 5. Pomegranate juice with cayenne. Moving up to number 5, we have a combination that might make you raise an eyebrow. Pure pomegranate juice with a pinch of cayenne pepper. This might sound like an unusual pairing, but the science behind it is absolutely fascinating, and the results speak for themselves. Pomegranate juice is loaded with compounds called punicolagens, which are incredibly powerful antioxidants that specifically target the endothelium. That's the inner lining of your blood vessels. These compounds help your body produce more nitric oxide, which is essentially your body's natural blood vessel relaxer. Studies have shown that pomegranate juice can increase nitric oxide production by up to 35% within hours of consumption. Now here's where the cayenne pepper becomes crucial. It contains capsaicin, the compound that makes peppers hot, but more importantly, it's one of the fastest acting circulation boosters known to science. Within minutes of consuming capsaicin, your blood vessels begin to dilate. Your blood becomes less sticky, and circulation to your extremities increases dramatically. Capsaicin also triggers the release of substance P, a neuropeptide that helps dilate blood vessels and improve blood flow specifically to areas that need it most. To prepare this properly, you need 100% pure pomegranate juice with no added sugars or preservatives. The sugar actually counteracts many of the benefits by causing inflammation and glycation of blood vessels. Mix 8 ounces of pomegranate juice with just 1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Start small and work your way up as your tolerance builds, and stir thoroughly. Drink this mixture once in the early afternoon, when your circulation typically hits its lowest point of the day. Research published in Clinical Nutrition found that seniors drinking this combination daily showed improved walking distance and reduced leg pain within just 1 week, with blood flow measurements improving by an average of 31%. The cayenne might cause a slight warming sensation, which is actually a sign that it's working. Your blood vessels are opening up and allowing more blood to reach areas that have been deprived. The pomegranate juice also contains ellagic acid, which helps repair damaged arterial walls and improves the elasticity of blood vessels, making them more responsive to your body's circulation needs. Some people find it helpful to chase this drink with a small piece of whole grain bread to minimize any stomach sensitivity. Now, we're getting into really powerful territory with our 4th drink. Number 4, beetroot and tart cherry blend. At number 4, we have a drink that's been creating waves in the sports medicine community, but is absolutely perfect for seniors dealing with circulation issues, a blend of beetroot juice and tart cherry juice. This combination is so effective that Olympic athletes have been using it for years to improve their performance, but the benefits for circulation in older adults are even more impressive. Beetroot is nature's richest source of dietary nitrates, which your body converts into nitric oxide through a fascinating process involving beneficial bacteria in your mouth, which is why you should never use antibacterial mouthwash right before drinking this. These nitrates are particularly effective at improving blood flow to areas with low oxygen, which is exactly what happens in the legs and feet with poor circulation. The conversion process is so important that researchers have found that the bacteria on your tongue are responsible for up to 80% of nitric oxide production from beetroot juice. Tart cherries add another dimension with their high concentration of anthocyanins, powerful compounds that reduce inflammation in blood vessels and help repair damage to arterial walls. These anthocyanins also help reduce C-reactive protein levels, a marker of inflammation directly linked to poor circulation. To prepare this circulation supercharger, mix equal parts fresh beetroot juice and tart cherry juice, about 4 ounces of each, and drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for maximum absorption. If you can't juice fresh beets, high-quality bottled beetroot juice works well, but make sure it's organic and cold-pressed to preserve nitrate content. The tart cherry juice should be unsweetened and made from Montmorency cherries if possible. Studies from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that this combination lowered blood pressure and improved circulation to the legs by an average of 38% within 24 hours, with continued improvement over time. The mechanism is particularly interesting. The nitrates from beets provide immediate vasodilation, while the anthocyanins from cherries work on long-term vascular health, creating both acute and chronic benefits. Many people report feeling a noticeable difference in their energy levels and leg comfort within just a few hours of drinking this blend, and some even notice their feet feeling warmer almost immediately. But our 3rd place drink takes a completely different approach. Number 3, turmeric golden milk. Coming in at number 3 is an ancient Ayurvedic remedy that modern science has validated with stunning results. Turmeric golden milk, specifically formulated for circulation enhancement. This isn't just regular turmeric and milk, it's a carefully crafted drink that maximizes the bioavailability of curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, which has been shown to improve circulation through multiple mechanisms. Curcumin works by reducing inflammation in blood vessels, preventing platelet aggregation, blood cells sticking together, and helping repair damaged blood vessel walls through improved endothelial function. But here's the crucial part most people miss. Curcumin is poorly absorbed unless combined with specific ingredients that increase bioavailability by up to 2,000%. Curcumin is fat-soluble and needs both fat and piperine from black pepper to be absorbed effectively. To make this properly, warm, do not boil, 1 cup of full-fat coconut milk or whole dairy milk. Then add 1 teaspoon of high-quality turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ginger powder, and a small pinch of cayenne. Whisk these ingredients together over low heat for about 5 minutes, allowing the compounds to infuse into the fat molecules of the milk, which help your body absorb them. Drink this warm, ideally about an hour before bedtime, as studies show curcumin absorption and circulation benefits are enhanced during sleep. Research from the Journal of Medicinal Food demonstrated that seniors drinking turmeric golden milk daily experienced a 42% reduction in leg swelling and significant improvement in walking distance within 2 weeks. Number 2, hibiscus and hawthorn infusion. At number 2, we have a combination that cardiovascular specialists are increasingly recommending: hibiscus tea infused with hawthorn berry extract. This powerful duo works through ACE inhibition, similar to some blood pressure medications but completely natural, and direct arterial dilation. Hibiscus contains anthocyanins and protocatechuic acid that improve blood vessel flexibility and reduce resistance in circulation. Hawthorn berries strengthen blood vessel walls and improve the efficiency of heart contractions. To prepare, steep 2 tablespoons of dried hibiscus flowers or 3 tea bags in 16 ounces of hot water for 10 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon of liquid hawthorn extract or half a teaspoon of powder. Drink half in the morning and half in the early evening. Finally, number 1, L-Citrulline watermelon smoothie. This is the most powerful circulation boosting drink. A specialized watermelon smoothie delivers high levels of L-Citrulline, which your body converts into nitric oxide. Unlike L-arginine, L-Citrulline has nearly 100% bioavailability and continues working for up to 24 hours. Blend 2 cups of watermelon flesh with 1 cup of the white rind, 1 tablespoon of lime juice, fresh mint leaves, and half a cup of coconut water. Drink it 30 minutes before your main meal. Studies showed up to a 52% improvement in blood flow and major relief in leg pain and cramps. These 6 drinks represent a natural revolution in circulation support. Even incorporating 2 or 3 into your daily